Hi business owners, this is your business coach Nalin Mehta. Welcome to my talk series, Kya Karun, specially recorded for you. I often hear business owners tell me that they are a small and medium enterprise and they can't fight the big brands, who have deep pockets and big budgets. मैं क्या करूं? Well, let me start with the good news. The bigger they are, the bigger they fall. As you know that the brand building is now really becoming hyper local. That's how the mobile search is working in the digital era. And I'm sure as a small and medium enterprise, you built a strong presence in your local area of influence, and you are giving customer experiences which are in line with the local needs, and the big brands really can't deliver that kind of customized experience in every location. So I'm sure you are doing all that. I'm also sure that you have built a good online presence, you have a good website, and you've done some work at the local level for optimizing the search engines. So therefore, whenever a person in the area of your influence is searching for a business of your kind, you are there in his search page. Certainly, you would also be doing a fair bit of online advertising, and therefore getting traffic to your business through banners and things like that in the local area. Let me talk of something, which needs little more focus than I find is given to these issues. First of all, business owner, please be aware of the online chatter on customer experiences that you go through. So please invest sufficiently in tools which can continuously track what are the comments and remarks that are coming online for your business processes. So if you see a bad customer experience, you should know it immediately, and you should be able to respond immediately publicly. And if you see a good experience, you should also be able to thank the customer and respond immediately. This is something that big brands, with a long chain of command, can't do with the same speed as you can do. Second, you just don't respond publicly, but also you analyze what are the processes and the experiences that you have to change so that you get a more positive response from your local customer. Now, this is again something that the big brands can't do. So please use the correct analytic tools where you are able to understand each good or bad experience, and then review your processes internally to make sure that the bad experiences are eliminated and the good experiences are enhanced. The speed of response in this is what will differentiate you from the big businesses who just can't get to do these things at a local level. This will build trust, advocacy, and even brand loyalty in your area of influence. Thirdly, just don't hesitate to ask for reviews. Build personal relationship with the influential people in the area in which you operate, and make sure that you leverage them to get lots of reviews. Please remember, almost all the searches are tuned to the recency of the reviews. So this is not a one-time thing that you got some good reviews and you can leave it. This has to be a continuous process. So make sure at any given time you have a lot of recent reviews which are there online for you. And you make sure that you acknowledge those reviews in a very personalized manner. This is again something that the big brands can't do. So business owners, with the digital era and the mobile search getting local, you really have a far better chance of beating those big brands who may be operating on a vast scale with these three mantras. Track what is happening on the online media for your business. Respond very, very quickly and publicly. Review your processes and improve the experiences for the customer at a very good speed. And last but not least, don't hesitate to ask for reviews and network with the influential people in your area to get reviews on a regular and constant basis. This is not something that's going to burn a hole in your pocket. And I assure you that apart from what you're doing in your online presence, your website and perhaps your e-commerce tie-ups, if you do these three things, you can get a very good market share out of the big brands. So I hope this Kya Karu talk gives you some ideas on how to fight big brands without spending too much. Thank you very much.